Hi Lance, let's take a look at how you can upload something from a Google Doc to a wiki page. Now I want to tell you right off the bat that sometimes the formatting changes. So sometimes you might have something bold and it doesn't come out bold, or a table, maybe it doesn't come out as a table. But for the most part, it works really pretty well. So let's take a look at how it does work. So I just picked this very short series of paragraphs that mean absolutely nothing to use as an example. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring my Health for Educators over here, and I'm going to click on Module 1, just for the heck of it, Wiki Project. And I'm going to upload this on your page. So I scrolled down because on this first one there's a lot of information, how to prepare a wiki project, an explanation about the wiki project, an example, and then here's the actual directions. Seems like that order should be changed, but that's neither here nor there. You want to click on View Projects, and let's go to yours, and again I will take this off eventually. So here we are. This is what you see, I believe, and it says Begin. So let's take a look. I'm going to go to my original here, and what I want to do is I can click on Edit, Select All, Edit, Copy. Now I'm going to go back to my PowerSchool, and I'm going to click on Add Content Block. I want the text, if at all possible, to show up right on this page. So let me move this a little bit. So notice it says Create Text Block. It has to have a title, so I'm just going to say, hey, it's Wiki 1. Here I'm going to paste, and it doesn't quite understand the language from Google, so I'm going to go over here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click Paste, and I'm going to click OK. Here's my information. It's now on my wiki page. Now I'm going to go down here to the bottom and click Save. Let's see what it looks like. And there it is. Now what you might be experiencing is something slightly different, and so it may not be part of your question, or it might. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. Okay, so you may have some sort of table, and sometimes tables come out looking a little differently. So let's take a look at this. Because it's multiple pages, I'm just going to select this first page because I don't want to try to do all of them. So I have, in my program, I did a left click and I dragged across. You can still also do Edit, Select All, Edit, Copy. We'll just go ahead and do that. And so what happens is, now I'm going to upload this on my wiki page, and the formatting might come out differently. So let's take a look at what happens then. I'm going to do Add Content Block. I'm going to say it's on page text. Let's see how it comes out. This is Wiki 1. And here we go. I'm going to paste it. Well, that didn't come out too bad, but let's see what it looks like when I click Save. Actually, that came out okay. Sometimes tables get a little bit changed. So suppose you're struggling and you're trying to upload some sort of table or image, not text like this, and it's just not working. This is always preferable because then someone else can come along and read it and pop, there it is right on the page. But here's what you can do. You can click on Files. And again, I'm going to call this Wiki 1. And I'm going to click Next. And now it says, tell me what file you want to upload. So I'm going to click on Upload File. I'm going to choose a file. I'm just going to choose something. How about this? Wiki Project 1. I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is like from this class. Cool. And so I've clicked on this and I say, okay, go ahead and open it here. and I'm going to attach it. Think of like you're attaching it to an email. And here we go. And here what I've done is I have uploaded that file without copying and pasting it into my wiki page. So here we are. So let me get rid of these. Sorry, I'm just trying to give you as much information as I can. That's one example. There was the second example. Both of those are the preferred way to do it. But if you're struggling, you say, look, I want to get this up on my wiki page. Here's my document. When I go to read it, I'll download the document. Sorry. I will download the document, then I'll open the document in Word, read it, and then I'll come in here and put page comments for feedback. So the first two would be preferable, but this one's okay. It just means whoever's reading it has to go to an extra step. I hope that answers your question. Please let me know if it doesn't or where I've been confusing. Thank you.